A new video shows that Tesla Giga Shanghai is preparing a huge batch of cars for export in Q3 2021. Tesla continues to optimize its Gigafactory in Shanghai. Giga Shanghai currently produces over 310,000 vehicles a year and will increase production to 450,000 units by the end of 2021. This allows the factory to increase not only domestic sales but also exports, reports Eva Fox from the Tesmanian.com, saying, and the company Tesla is now ready to ship thousands of China-made vehicles around the world, as you see in this accompanying video from our friend Eva. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel and also give us thumbs up, please, if you like this video and the information here. So our friend Eva, who has a YouTube channel with WUWA Eva, and he regularly provides video information from Tesla Giga Shanghai, has sent and shared this video on his channel and allowed us to share with Torque News YouTube channel watchers, viewers and subscribers, which shows that Tesla Giga Shanghai is now preparing a huge batch of cars for export in Q3. By the way, if any one of you would like to count it, write the count please in the comments section below. How many cars approximately do you see here? So in 2021, Giga Shanghai significantly increased production for exports. Every month, Tesla was the leader among all car manufacturers in China in general. In April and May alone, the factory Giga Shanghai shipped 25,701 vehicles, but this is just the beginning. In June, thousands of Tesla made in China will be delivered to a number of European countries as well as Israel, Australia, Japan and South Korea. I think I also saw in the media today that Tesla will even ship Model Y from Giga Shanghai to Europe before the Giga Berlin starts production. So Eva Fox also writes that at the moment all cars in Q2 for overseas markets have already been sent, but Giga Shanghai is not slowing down. Tesla is actively preparing for the Q3 and hundreds of vehicles are produced daily for export. Our friend Eva in YouTube reported that a large number of vehicles with protective films are transported from the factory every day. In the video footage that you're seeing, Eva Fox counted approximately 400 cars being loaded onto semi-trailers. I would like to see what you think in terms of numbers. Production at Giga Shanghai will reach full capacity hopefully this year, meaning hundreds of thousands of China-made Tesla vehicles will hit the road around the world. In recent months, the company has been increasing exports, and with an increase in production, more and more cars will be sent abroad, probably Europe, Australia, Israel, South Korea, and so on. I've been looking at the comments under Vuva's video and I see some interesting comments. The general thought is this, that it is fascinating to watch the activities on the parking lot of Tesla Giga Shanghai. Cars parked, drivers take bus to get back, trucks backing, loading, leaving. The logistic efficiency is really progressing amazingly at Giga Shanghai. Please post more these parking lot watching if you could, and thanks, people write to Eva. They also say it's also strange seeing this many cars to be exported at the end of financial quarter. Usually Tesla exports cars at the beginning of the quarter and local cars at the end of the quarter. This is because they must be delivered to customers to be counted as part of quarterly sales figures. Makes me wonder if they aren't selling in China, so they need to export more. Well, I think the global demand for Tesla cars is high as well, so that could be another good positive reason, right? So what do you think about that, friends? Also note that the second Tesla supercharger station is in use and quite heavily. That factory is speeding out cars at an insane speed. Thanks for the continuous efforts, Vuva. The new time-lapse videos are very pleasant to watch, and other people are saying that it's nice seeing those Tesla vehicles shipped by the dozens, and of course also see the new road and bridge being used makes it easier and faster for the drivers. subscribers. Well, friends, let me know your thoughts. How many cars do you see here, and what do you think about these deliveries, local versus international deliveries of Tesla vehicles from Giga Shanghai? And let's continue watching what Vuva has to share with Tesla community from Giga Shanghai. In the meantime, this is Armen Harian from torquenews.com. Please like this video if you find it informative and helpful, and share in social media. I would greatly appreciate it. And also subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla, Giga Shanghai, Giga Berlin, and other Tesla related and automotive related news stories. Have a great day. God bless you, and let's keep watching. Thank you.